When it comes to knowing your credit score, women apparently lag behind their male counterparts, according to a study by CreditSmart. A good credit report is important when it comes to getting loans for a range of items from credit cards to home loans. Jerry Kremen from CreditSmart joins us live from the Gold Coast to discuss this further. Thanks so much for your time this afternoon. First of all, what is a credit rating?
So a credit rating is a number that's based on the content of your credit report. So your credit report is really important to understand, as well as the rating, the number that it's distilled down to. As you said, it is really important when it comes to applying for loans to have a good credit score. And the way to do that is to make sure that you're on top of your credit health, you're on top of your credit report, and you're making timely payments.
What did the study find out particularly about the difference between women and men when it comes to their credit and what they know about it?
Yeah, so some interesting differences there. We found that 65% of women have never looked at their credit report compared to 55% of men. We also found that 89% of women are completely unaware of the changes that are coming to credit reporting compared to 78% of men. And a quarter of women have no idea what a credit score even is. So you can see that there's a kind of, women are falling behind when it comes to credit health compared to men. And the difference perhaps isn't huge when you look at the stats side by side, but when you think about it in the broader context of financial issues, it is another area where women are falling behind.
You mentioned changes coming through. What are they?
Yeah, so until recently, Australia has been behind the rest of the developed world. Our credit reporting system has only had negative information. So that's really information about loan defaults or bankruptcies. We're now moving towards a comprehensive credit reporting system, which will include positive data. So the key things about that is that the existence of a line of credit or a loan will be included in your credit report. The most important thing and the most exciting thing for customers is that every month when you make a payment, that will be reported in your credit report as well. So we'll have monthly data about repayment behaviour, and that's going to make a big impact on credit scores. It's going to make a big impact on visibility when you go to apply for a loan. You're kind of no longer wedded to your current credit provider because you're able to demonstrate to other lenders how you behave when it comes to credit and whether you're a responsible person to get that new loan.
You talked about the percentage of women and men who don't know their current credit situation. How can they find that out?
So it is very easy. We have developed a website called creditsmart.org.au, and that will direct you towards where you can get your credit report for free. You are entitled to get your credit report for free once a year from each of the credit reporting bodies. So if you go to creditsmart.org.au, we'll have all of the instructions there. It's really important to have a look at your credit report, check it for any errors. If there is an error, if you need to get something corrected, there's also information on how to do that on creditsmart.org.au. So you can definitely take charge of this yourself. There is no need to go through any third parties or any kind of dodgy credit repair companies.
Jerry Kremen from CreditSmart, thanks so much.
Thank you.